Hi, my name is Mrs. Michon, and I will be your homeroom teacher this semester for the Online Academy. I got to meet a few of you during our rounds yesterday when we dropped off the Falcon bags, the bright green bags. Hopefully, if you were not home, you received a bag. If not, please email me and I will make sure that I get that to you. It was great to meet a few of you, and it was really nice to put some faces with names. We will be meeting for the first time this Tuesday, September 8th at 7:30 via Google Meet. Our Google Meet code is on the paper that I gave you the other day within the green bag, but it's also, just so you know, SLMS MICHON HR. So like Summit Lakes Middle School, Michon, my last name, and then HR like homeroom. So you'll open google.meet.com, you'll put in that code, and we'll be good to go. I'm sending an email along with this video, so I will be putting the code there as well. If you have any issues logging on that day, or if you have any other questions, of course, you can just email me. Don't panic if you have any issues logging on. There are going to be lots of little technical difficulties, and we will get through them, I promise. But I'm always happy to help if you do have some of those technical difficulties. If I can't answer your question, I will find somebody who can. I think that's it. I did just want to introduce myself, make sure you could see me without a mask on, and tell you that I'm here for you. I'm looking forward to meeting you, even if it's just electronically, at least at first. And I am wishing you a wonderful school year. Take care.